Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your environment. Make sure the Dart extension is active in Vscode and run Dart version to verify the installed SDK. Once you know the version, back up your project pubspec. YAML so dependencies are safe, and decide which channel you want, stable, beta, or dev, because channel changes affect API and package compatibility. Doing this prevents surprises later. Now, you're ready to pick an installation method for your platform. Next, download and install the updated SDK using a method appropriate for your OS. On Mac OS, use Brew, on Windows, use Chocolatey or the ZIP, and on Linux, prefer apt, snap, or the tarball. Once installed, update your path so the new Dart binary is first. On Windows, change environment variables. On Mac OS/Linux, update bashrc or zshrc. After installation, run Dart version to confirm. If your project uses Flutter, run Flutter pub, get to refresh packages and lock files. To finish, restart Vscode so the analyzer and language server pick up the new SDK. Make sure the integrated terminal reflects the updated path. If Vscode still reports the old version, open Settings and confirm Dart SDK path or adjust your path order. The active binary must be first. If you hit package or analyzer errors, run Dart pub cache repair or clear Vscode workspace cache and reload the window. These steps resolve most mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.